check this out. See the airbag light over there? See the stereo? I hit the horn, stereo turns off, airbag turns off. That's why now I gotta go to the CHP. Damn. What's up, guys? Bobby here, Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Today we're working on the E39. Finally got the parts that I need for the steering wheel, new clock spring, new angle sensor, because I already ran a test and keeps on coming up with that code, the steering angle sensor. So I'm just gonna put a new one in it. And the clock spring, I took off the airbag and there's something screwy going on inside. I'll show you a clip of that in a little bit, but yeah. So I'm gonna disconnect the battery back here, so because we're messing with the airbag. Alright, I'm doing like 3 things at once. I was checking all the fluids in my truck. I'm gonna get the carburetor rebuilt. Need a trans fluid. Oil's okay. Let me see here. I think it is. Yep, perfect, full. It's not even that dirty. Add in there. And I put an alternator in January and it went out again. That's what I get for getting a cheapie on Amazon. So I got a Denso. It's only 30 bucks more. I should have just did that from the beginning. So I'm doing that. And I just did the cooling system on the Blazer because I'm going to be towing something pretty soon. And we are back. I got a little ahead of myself, forgot to record. All you do is the airbag is clipped in with these clips. On the side you put in a screwdriver. Let's see here, anything pretty much that fits in there. Let's see if I can get some in there. Alright, so you get to the tab and there you go. See, there we go. Stick something in the back and then the airbag pops out. You unplug everything in here. So, and then the center bolt is a 16 millimeter and has a lineup right there. So let's take the airbag out. And I got the new clock spring right there. New angle sensor. And like I said, I don't know, this one doesn't feel too good, but I think there's something wrong with it. So let's take the steering wheel off. And there's the clock spring. And I think the angle steering is right there, sensor. So let's take all this off. Alright, so I took out this clock spring from here. 4 Torx. Slides right out. You unplug here, 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 and here. Comes right out. And here's the new clock spring. So now I just gotta switch everything over. I just don't know where the steering angle sensor goes. Somebody let me know where it goes. I thought it went somewhere on the steering wheel, but I don't see where it would go. So I'm gonna do some more research on that. But let's switch this over and then install it. Alright guys, I already installed a new clock spring, put the airbag back in, reconnected the battery. Let's see if this works. I doubt it, man. With my luck. Alright, let's see here. Airbag light turns off, turns right back on, flickers. Yeah, I don't know, man. Still kind of flickering, see? So what I'm gonna do, I got a little ahead of myself. Then I'm gonna take the center console out. I already started taking the vents, armrest, and all that. I guess that's for the CD changer or something. I don't know, or the phone. But I already started taking it apart, and there's the airbag module. So I'm going to check out the airbag module, see if it's plugged in right, see if there's any wires rubbed out or something, man. I need to get this thing fixed. So just keep on going and take out the center console. All right, I got most of it loose. I'm not gonna take the whole center console out. That's a lot of work, but I got most of it unbolted. I have it, whoops, sorry. I have it wedged with a breather, so now I can sneak it out. Airbag unit is right there. Lift this up, there you see it. So I'm gonna disconnect the battery, and then four 10mm bolts, loosen them up, and sneak it out. See if all the connections look good and all that. Be right back. All right, got the module out. I checked all the connections, they look good and everything. I checked the connections in here, they all look good and everything. And I turned on the car and the light does not turn off, the airbag light. So I know this is working. So I think I'm just gonna have to get a better software, because when I connect my Autel to this, it's not the best one, but it's in the middle, but it doesn't connect to the airbag module. And at the beginning it does tell me if I don't have a 16 or 20 pin, something like that, it's not gonna connect. So I think I need a special connector. So I might take it to my buddy's shop. He's got a better scanner, so maybe he can see if the airbag module is good. But to me, I think it's working, because when I reconnect it, the airbag light does turn off. It just flickers. So maybe there's a bad connection somewhere. Let's keep on going. I'm gonna put it back together. All right, it's another day here, working on the E39. Got the window regulators right here. So I'm gonna do the driver's front and the passenger rear driver's side. So I'm gonna start off with the back one. So I'm gonna take off the door panel. So we'll come back after I take off the door panel. Okay, we got the door panel off, and as you can see, it is chewed up. And they already disconnected it from the window, and not a bad idea. They used a hanger. They looped it in the window, looped it around, and that's what's holding up the window. I was wondering why it wouldn't go up or down. Heard the motor work, but nothing did anything. So here's the new motor, or not motor, but regulator, and the old regulator. There's part of the door panel, and the other part over there. So let's take it out to two 10mm down there, and then a T something, I think 25, 27. All right, to take out the regulator, you basically do have to take out the window. So you got to take off the weather stripping outside, stripping on the inside, take off the center bar, and then take off the window seal, all of that right there, and then the windows over there, and then you can pull the window out, and then you can get to the bolt right there, and it's a T20. And then here's the old one. There's the new one. I'm switching the motor over. And those also are T20. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them. Move the motor over and then install it. So be back. All right, we got the new regulator in, plugged in, everything bolted up in both places. And here's the switch. Yes, we got ourselves a window. Nice. So let's put the door panel back on. All right, so I'll put it back together. Works. And I also put a little pull tab. Yeah, it's janky, but you know, at least it's usable now. Now I can put the shade up. Hooks up there, no problem. So yep, so now to the drivers. Okay, so we got this door panel out. Just gotta be real careful. There is an airbag module. I did not disconnect it, but there's a bolt there. There's a bolt there, bolt there. Then there's another one over here. So I'm gonna lower the window so I can just loosen the window. And it's pretty cool. It's got its own little box for the mid bass. And the system does sound really, really good. So let's take out the old regulator and put the new one in. Okay, we got the new regulator in. Actually, this one you kind of needed 2 people, so I'm glad Eddie was here, so he helped out. Actually, both of them were like almost 2 people. But yeah, it works now. Smooth. Nice. All right, let's put the door panel back on. All right, she's all together. Just gotta clean it up again. I got it dirty. Oh wow. Yeah, I got that black stuff on my hands. Dang it. But yeah, no, I'll clean it up again. But she works. Yeah, there we go. Alright. That ends that. Alright, so now we're going to wash it up. And I'm going to try to buff it out as best as I can. Let's get her clean. All right, there she is, all cleaned up. I still got to buff her out on some spots. Like I said, I don't know if I will. If you can tell, I don't know. They did something weird to this paint. And then the top is a little faded. Like I said, I'm not trying to hide anything. It's got its bumps and bruises. But I mean, the wheels came out really, really good. Front wheel, I mean, I think they came out good. But like I said, I'm not trying to hide anything. The front bumper's got its little flaws too, like right here. The grill's got 2 different kidneys on it. I'm gonna try to get the right ones, but like I said, I'm selling it the way as is. And like I said, see, look at the hood. They did something weird here. I don't know if you can see it, if it comes out. Now you can see that right there. There we go. See? I don't know what they were doing, trying to hide something, but like I said, I'm showing everything here. There, these wheels. Like I said, I replaced these 2 passenger doors, rear and front. That's why it was salvaged. As in the previous video or the other video you saw, interiors are all detailed. It has all new window regulators. It's got a new clock spring. Got a video on that. I also got the steering angle sensor. I haven't installed that yet. That'll come with the car. I gotta get a tire for the front. It's got a flat spot in it. Like I said, I'm not trying to hide anything, but this thing runs like a champ. She takes off. So if you're interested, hit me up. We'll take it for a drive in a little bit so you can listen to it. Everything works. Cold AC, cruise control, tilt, everything. The sunshade for the rear window, sunshade works. Everything. And then when I do it for a test drive, I'll tell you the little quirks on it and what's going on with it. But it's nothing major. It doesn't affect the way the car runs or anything. So that's gonna be it for this video. Alright, that's gonna end the video for the E39 for this series. She's pretty much complete. Put her up for sale. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, share with your friends, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. And if you subscribe right down in the corner, that'd be greatly appreciated. Until next time, talk to you later.